Today we are installing a cargo barrier for an FJ Cruiser. So the first thing you want to do is to install the headrest brackets. Remove the headrests and slide them over the top of the brackets and position them in the lower position. Now you want to remove the plastic hooks in the back. You can do this using a 10mm socket. So remove the M6 bolts on both sides and we'll next position the barrier in the vehicle. Now on the left hand side here, you can either use the M10 bolt or you can use the plastic knob. This allows you to quickly fold down the 40 split if you want to use or if you want to carry longer items. So go ahead and install all those M10 bolts to the headrest brackets. Next, grab the upper bracket and using an M6 bolt and washer, loosely attach the upper bracket. Next thing we'll do is we will attach the bracket to the vehicle. This is attached using an M6 machinery handle, so that if you want to remove the barrier, you can do this without using any tools. So wind the M6 handle into the M6 hole. Once you've tightened it in position, you can adjust the position of the handle by pulling it out and twisting it or rotating it to whichever position you would like. So once you're happy with the position of the barrier, go ahead and tighten all the nuts and bolts. The M6 bolts on the top, the M10 bolts on the bottom, and you're done. So this is the cargo barrier for the FJ Cruiser.